will show you how to create an automation that sends emails to a specific customer segment. On Pelcro, you can have multiple products and each product has its own set of subscribers. The aim of this video is to learn how to send automatic emails to the subscribers related to a certain product. To do that, from Mailchimp, I'm going to click on All Journeys under the Automation section. And then I'm going to create a new customer journey. I'll choose to build from scratch. Here, I will be required to write the name of the customer journey, and if you have multiple audiences, you will be required to select which audience at this point too. I'm going to name it Nature Portfolio Customer Journey. This is the name of my product. And then I'm going to click on Start Building. Now I will choose a starting point, which is the API and integrations, and then click on Event API. Here is a list of events that are sent from Pelcro to Mailchimp based on the customer actions. I'm going to select Subscription Created and save starting point. Now I can click on Add a Journey Point, select the if-else condition. As you can see, those are all filters for customer segmentation. I'm going to select the product name one. And type in the product name. Make sure that it's written just like it's written in the Pelcro platform. Nature Portfolio. I'm going to click on Save. Now I have a yes and no scenarios. In the yes scenario, I'm going to choose to send an email. Select a template for the email. Click on the Sell Products template. And then you configure the template the way you see fit. When done, you click on the Save and Return to Journey, then click on the Continue button to activate it. Thank you.